I just had to get on here because I got happy mail today. It was a surprise from my husband. He knew that I've been watching Andrea Nelson, who is an incredible watercolor, stress-free, beginner-friendly artist on here that teaches these amazing tutorials on how to learn and like introduce you to watercolor painting without being completely overwhelmed. And I told him, I was like, I want to learn how to watercolor paint. I want the kit on her website. She's got several tiers of kits on there, but I was like, I want the big one. And I'm gonna show you what's in here because I cannot wait to get started on my watercolor painting journey. And again, if you don't follow Andrea Nelson, if for no other reason, just because watching her is the most calming thing in the entire world, follow her because she's awesome. Okay, you'll have to forgive me because I don't have the site pulled up to tell you exactly what all this stuff is. And since it's a new hobby for me, I don't know the right words for all of it. So I'm gonna do my best. It came with all these beautiful brushes, and I think they're her own brand of brushes from A Dream or a Day Art by Andrea Nelson. Yes, it's on every single brush. Oh, so many brushes. Now, once you have the brushes, you need to have something to paint on. This kit actually includes 2 books. It's got this leather bound feeling suede-y cover to it and all this beautiful paper inside, but it also comes with this beautiful journal where you can do daily watercolor drawings and paintings. The paper feels so good. Okay, so we've got the brushes and 2 books. There's a roll of her tape in here so you can tape off the sides and get those really pretty crisp edges. A water-soluble pastel set in here. Gorge. Stunning. A full set of these pigment liner pens, and they come in all different sizes of millimeters, which is really helpful because she uses these throughout her projects to accentuate things. And last, but certainly not least, the star of the show, her watercolor paint set. Andrea Nelson's Essential Palette. I think it's the same one that, oh, so pretty. I think it's the same one that she uses in her videos. Oh my gosh, it's so heavy. Beautiful tin. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, and since I'm new to all of this, I have no idea what I'm doing, but these are all wrapped. I pulled one out though so you could see it. First of all, look at these beautiful watercolor paints, and it gives you the tray on each side to mix your colors in if you want to, or add water. And then each one is individually wrapped to protect it, I'm assuming. But look at the pigment already coming off on this tape, y'all. These are gonna be so pigmented and lovely. I cannot wait. So stay tuned because apparently I'm gonna start doing watercolor painting and see how it goes. Andrea, thank you so much from a super fan for all of the beautiful things that you post and for making them so approachable and bite-sized for those of us who are just getting started and wanting to learn the craft but not entirely sure where to begin. Everybody follow her. She's amazing. Thanks for humoring me. I cannot wait to show you my creations. Like and follow for more.